In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and clean up your wish list on Shein, making sure it's updated with only the items you really want. First, let's start by heading over to the Shein website. Open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Shein homepage. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your login credentials to access all your saved lists and preferences. Once you're logged in and on the main page, the next step is to find the wish list section of the site. This is usually accessible through an icon that resembles a heart, often located at the top of the homepage. Clicking this icon will take you directly to the wish list, where all your saved items are displayed. It's a handy spot for saving things you want to buy later or are considering. However, over time, this list can grow quite long and unmanageable, which is why it's a good idea to review and tidy it up regularly. Now that you're in the wish list, let's get down to cleaning it up. Look through your list carefully and decide which items you still want and which ones you no longer need or desire. Sometimes we add things on a whim and they don't always hold our interest after a while. When you find an item you'd like to remove, hover your mouse over that product. You'll notice that an option to delete appears, often indicated by a trash bin icon or a simple X. Click on that delete option and you will be able to remove the item from your wish list. Removing items you no longer want helps keep your wish list focused and relevant, making it easier to find the things you truly want to buy. Continue this process for each item you're no longer interested in. It might be useful to periodically reassess your wish list in this manner, particularly if you often add items and want to keep track of what's genuinely valuable to you. Cleaning up your wish list not only makes it more efficient, but also helps streamline your shopping experience whenever you decide to make a purchase. It's akin to decluttering your digital shopping space, similar to tidying up a room at home. Once you've gone through all the items and removed the ones you don't need, your task is complete. You now have a refreshed and focused wish list, better reflecting your current tastes and shopping goals. Remember, a well-maintained wish list can be a powerful tool in organizing your online shopping strategies. Thanks for following along on this quick guide. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need to refresh your wish list again.